Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon trade-in program, savings overview step by step clearly. To begin using the Amazon trade-in program, visit the Amazon website and log into your account. Navigate to the trade-in section, which can usually be found in the menu or by searching for trade-in in the search bar. Select the category of the item you wish to trade in, whether it's electronics, books, or video games. Once you choose a category, you can enter the specific item or browse through the list of eligible products. Provide the necessary details about your item, including its condition and any relevant information. After entering the information, Amazon will provide you with an estimated trade-in value for your item. If you're satisfied with the offered value, click on the option to proceed with the trade-in. Amazon will then guide you through the process of shipping your item. You can print a prepaid shipping label, which makes sending in your item easy and cost-effective. Carefully package your item and affix the shipping label to the box. Once your package is sent, keep an eye on the tracking information to ensure safe delivery. After Amazon receives your item, they will inspect it to confirm its condition. Once approved, the trade-in value will be credited to your Amazon account, often in the form of gift cards. You can then use this credit towards your next purchase on Amazon. Regularly check the trade-in section for any new offers or promotions that might enhance your. By utilizing the Amazon trade-in program, you can effectively turn in used items into savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.